Your brain is your most powerful organ, controlling everything from your thoughts and emotions to your movements and memories. But did you know that some of the foods you eat every day could be silently damaging it? That's right. What you put on your plate could be sabotaging your memory, focus, and even your long-term brain health. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 3 foods to avoid, why they're harmful, and what to eat instead to keep your brain sharp and healthy. Stick around, because the last one will shock you. Let's get started. Let's start with the first brain-damaging food: sugary drinks and sweets. This includes sodas, energy drinks, candies, pastries, and even that seemingly innocent flavored latte. You might think it's just a little sugar, but the impact on your brain is far from small. Here's why. Excessive sugar intake leads to chronic inflammation in the brain. Inflammation is your body's response to harmful stimuli, but when it becomes chronic, it can damage brain cells and impair memory and learning. But it gets worse. Studies show that a diet high in sugar can increase your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Yes, Alzheimer's. Sugar disrupts insulin signaling in the brain, which is crucial for cognitive function. When your brain becomes resistant to insulin, it struggles to process glucose, its primary fuel source. This can lead to brain fog, memory loss, and even neurodegenerative diseases. Real-life example. A study published in the journal Alzheimer's and Dementia found that people who consumed sugary drinks regularly had smaller brain volumes and poorer memory compared to those who avoided them. What's the solution? Swap sugary drinks for water, herbal teas, or unsweetened beverages. Craving something sweet? Reach for fresh fruit like berries, which are packed with antioxidants that actually protect your brain. And if you're a coffee lover, try it black or with a splash of unsweetened almond milk. Here's a pro tip. If you're struggling to cut back on sugar, try the 21-day Sugar Detox Challenge. Gradually reduce your sugar intake and replace it with healthier alternatives. Your brain will thank you. Next on the list, processed and fried foods. Think chips, fries, frozen meals, and fast food. These foods are convenient, but they're also loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and additives that can wreak havoc on your brain. Here's the scary part. The trans fats found in many processed foods can damage brain cells and increase your risk of depression and cognitive decline. Trans fats are artificially created fats that extend the shelf life of processed foods, but they're toxic to your brain. They increase inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. And let's not forget the sodium. Too much salt can lead to high blood pressure, which restricts blood flow to the brain. Reduced blood flow means less oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain, which can impair cognitive function over time. Real-life example. A study published in Neurology found that people who consumed high amounts of processed foods had a faster rate of cognitive decline compared to those who ate whole, unprocessed foods. What's the fix? Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like nuts, seeds, and fresh vegetables. If you're craving something crunchy, try air pop popcorn or baked veggie chips. And when cooking, use healthy fats like olive oil or avocado oil instead of frying. Here's a quick recipe idea. Swap out frozen fries for homemade sweet potato fries. Simply slice sweet potatoes, toss them in olive oil and a pinch of sea salt, and bake them in the oven. They're delicious, nutritious, and brain-friendly. And now, the one you've been waiting for, artificial sweeteners. Yes, those sugar-free alternatives you thought were safe could be harming your brain. Aspartame, sucralose, and other artificial sweeteners are commonly found in diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, and protein bars. Here's why they're dangerous. Artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, which plays a crucial role in brain health. Your gut and brain are connected through the gut-brain axis, and an unhealthy gut can lead to mood disorders, brain fog, and even memory problems. But that's not all. Artificial sweeteners may also trigger insulin spikes, leading to brain fog and fatigue. Even though they don't contain calories, your body still reacts to them as if they're sugar, which can mess with your metabolism and brain function. Real-life example. A study published in Stroke found that people who consumed diet sodas daily were 3 times more likely to develop dementia and stroke compared to those who didn't. What's the takeaway? Avoid artificial sweeteners whenever possible. If you need a sweetener, opt for natural options like stevia or small amounts of honey. Better yet, train your taste buds to enjoy the natural sweetness of whole foods. Here's a quick tip. If you're craving something sweet, try a piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. It's rich in antioxidants and has less sugar than milk chocolate. Your brain will function better without these chemical imposters. So there you have it, 3 foods that could be secretly harming your brain. By cutting out sugary drinks, processed foods, and artificial sweeteners, you can protect your brain and improve your cognitive health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy. And let me know in the comments, which of these foods are you cutting out first? Thanks for watching, and take care of that amazing brain of yours. Want to learn more about brain health? Check out our video on 5 brain-boosting foods you should be eating. It's linked right here. See you in the next one.